In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run TikTok ads in the UK. By the end, you'll know exactly how to use TikTok's built-in promote tool to drive sales to your website, target the right audience in the United Kingdom, and complete your payment without confusion. Start by opening the TikTok app and signing in. If you're new, create an account first so you can access all the ad features. From the home screen, go to your profile. This is where you'll manage your content and choose the post you want to promote. Pick the video you want to advertise. Choose something that already gets decent engagement, clearly shows your product or service, and includes a strong call to action. Once you've opened that video, tap Promote. This is TikTok's quick ad tool designed to boost existing posts. When asked to choose your objective, select Get Sales. This tells TikTok to optimize your promotion to drive people to buy. Next, choose More Website. You'll be prompted to enter your URL. Paste the exact landing page you want people to visit, ideally a product page or a focused offer, and make sure it loads fast on mobile. Tap Save to lock it in. Now you'll define your audience. Select Create Your Own so you can control targeting. Under Location, choose the United Kingdom. It's listed within the Europe region, so make sure you specifically select the UK to avoid showing your ad in other countries. Then set the gender and interests that best match your ideal customer. If your product is unisex, keep gender broad. If it's niche, be specific. For interests, choose categories that align closely with what you're selling, so TikTok's algorithm can find people who are most likely to buy. When you're happy with your selections, tap Save. You'll now see promotion packs. These bundles combine budget and duration. Pick the one that fits your goals and timeline. A larger budget or longer duration usually yields more data and reach, but even a modest test can work if your video and landing page are strong. Review everything one last time. Objective, URL, audience, and budget, then tap Pay to complete your purchase. A few quick tips as you launch. Keep your caption clear and action-oriented. Make sure any prices or offers in the video match what's on your site, and comply with TikTok's advertising policies to avoid disapprovals. After your promotion starts, monitor results and use what you learn to refine your next campaign. And that's how to run TikTok ads in the UK using Promote.